This is a video tutorial on the Disasterrisk GeoNode platform for Afghanistan. To access the website, you put disaster risk in the browser navigation bar and it will take you to the home page of this GeoNode. At the top of the home page, you see there are several menus which we'll go through in detail. And on the right, there is a panel to register and also log in. Please note that you cannot download certain layers, and you also cannot create maps or upload layers unless you register and log into the website. So in this case, I've already logged in. So if we go, for example, under the About section, you'll see a project information link, and this will take you to a web page that has all of the project information about the genesis of this GeoNode, including the links to the reports and the full studies on the multi-hazard risk assessment for Afghanistan. If you go under the data menu, layers, you can see the entire catalog of data layers that are in the GeoNode. On the left, you can set up filters to look for what you're looking for and go through the data. Or for example, you can just enter text in the search bar, which is contextual, and it starts searching the minute you start typing. So for example, if I am looking for flash flood related information, I can enter flash flood. There are two prompts. I'll click on the first one. There are two resulting layers that are found. The first one is the layer that I'm looking for. It's the flash flood susceptibility index. And if I click on it, it will take me to the page that displays all of the information about this layer. Here we have an interactive map that we can use to look at the data in detail and query the data. And down here you'll see also I have the metadata for this layer. If this were a vector layer, there would also be the attribute table. You can see here a legend, and there is a download layer button. And there are two options for downloading the data. The first option is just downloading an image or a picture of this map as we see it. And these are the data files supported. And otherwise, as this is a raster dataset, I can click on the data tab and download it directly into an actual spatial dataset that can be used in another GIS software on your desktop or elsewhere. So for example, I can download a GeoTIFF file from here. If I go on the bottom right of the page, you will see a Create Map button. I can create a map directly from the layer, so the map will open directly with this layer selected. And what I can do is then add information from the catalog onto this map. So if I go on the left over here, there is in this panel there is this button called Add Layer. It'll open another panel on the right with the entire catalog, and I can, for example, look for the road network dataset. And in this case, I'm looking for the OpenStreetMap road network. So I'll click here on the Add to Map, and you can see that the road network was added. So then I can go up here on the right and print this map and save it with a name, and if I save it, it will go into my the maps available on the website. Now, the other options are to look at the existing maps that are on the system and consult them, or to create a map. This option will just create a map without any data already in it. So in this case, if we go to explore maps, there are only a few maps that have been created. Also, under the risk management tools, there are 2 custom tools that were developed by the World Bank, and I will be discussing these in a different tutorial video. And then there's a menu dedicated to the management of users, and under the About, other than the project information page, there's also a page where you can find this and other tutorial videos. So that is all for this video. There will be subsequent videos on the other tools that are available within this platform. Thank you.